Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox an ATX board by MSI. This is the MSI B450M-A Pro Max 2 for socket AM4, so Ryzen 1000 to 5000 series, not supported for 7000 to 9000 series B40, and this B40 does not support 4.0 and only support 3.0 here, especially for your NVMe NVMe speeds. So you need to get at least B550 in order to get the PCIe 4.0 for your NVMe. So keep that in mind. Now the reason I go for this is because of budget. I got this around 230 ringgit on sale. So gonna be a budget PC with it, just to play some simple games like Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail. This one comes with, I believe, commonly 3 years of warranty, and let's see what's on it. So this uses DDR4, yeah, and then up to 4133, which I think we want to go for that. I mean, for me 3600 would be good enough. And then I also has audio boost, 7.1 HD audio, high quality audio capacitors, isolated audio PCBs, don't know what that is, core boost, yeah, it supports some sort of I think auto overclocking for B series, so I didn't want to get A series because I'm using the 3700X. So supports higher thermal limit, stability, efficiency. There is a printing error there, I mean typo. Okay. And also has a 1 M.2. So yeah, see all the supported CPUs here. Socket AM4 B450. So there's one PCIe 3.0 times 16, one PCIe 2.0 times 1, and then it also supports some display interface like 4K at 24 Hz as specified in HDMI 1.4. And then also has DVI-D, which I'm not using anymore. And for this, if you want to use it, you need to get a processor with integrated GPU. So 3700X does not have an integrated GPU, so you'll need an external GPU. And the memory support 2 DIMMs, DDR4 up to 4133. Storage, you have 1 M.2 Gen 3 times 4, 32 gig slot, and also 4 SATA. We'll go through it later. USB port, you have 6 USB 3.1 2 Gen 1 5 gigs, 6 Type A, another 6 USB 2.0. I think it includes the ones on the front panel. The LAN is Realtek 8125BG 2.5G LAN. Audio is 8 channel 7.1 HD audio with audio boost. And this is the I/O, how the I/O looks like. But without further ado, let's unbox it. So this is a very budget board, to be honest. I mean, it uses 4 pins for CPU only, and it only gives you one SATA cable. This is the I/O shield, and this is a quick installation guide. I believe this is for your M.2 locker. Yeah, very small. M.2 locker. So without further ado, let's look at the motherboard. It is pretty light. It is an ATX board, not a full-size ATX board. So as you can see, this is it. Let's go through the I/O first. So yeah, well, I guess the USB 3.0 maybe includes this, but I don't know. What does it say here? AMI, Episode, I don't know what that is, but I digress. So you have DVI-D, HDMI 1.4, for 3.0 I guess, but it says 3.2, right? Type A, USB, and then you have 2 USB Type Gen 2.0 here, the Ethernet cable, and then the audios. So I believe these are the audio capacitors. So this motherboard does not come with any RGB pins, and this is the AM4 socket here, the locking mechanism, and then these two is already pre-installed. So I'm going to use a rough prism for my 3700X on this build. One CPU pin, one 4 pin CPU, only 4 pin only, and then the CPU fan you can connect this to here. There's only one CPU fan, and then another one for system fan here. Here is your M.2. This is the PCIe 3.0 times 16 slot, and another PCIe times 2.0 times 4 slot, I think. And then this is your audio cable here. This is your front USB cables here, 2 of them. And the front panel controls is here, the JFP1. Also 4 SATA here, 2 facing up, another 2 on the side. And this is the USB 3.0 here. This is the motherboard 24 pin for the power to motherboard, and 2 DDR4 slots here, only 2, not 4. And then you have 5 VRMs, I guess. So it's not good for overclocking because you only have 4 pin power and only 5 phases, I guess. So if you run 3700X X dot, I think it should be fine. After all, it's only 65 watt. This is the battery here. The battery is CR2032. Yeah. And then there's nothing else at the back here. So yeah, very basic board. Well, and then the M.2 here supports all these sizes here up until 2280, I guess. No, wait, I think maybe longer than that. But yeah, the standard is 2280, which is up to here. Made in China, version 2.1. I think this is a sticker, but I don't want to peel it off. So, and then this one opens on both sides. I've seen those that opens on one side only. And just a quick reminder, this only supports DDR4. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Then I'll be using this in a build of my, they call it MFF, the mid-tower case, which only fits out the M-ATX. So I'm going to build a gaming PC using this board in Deepco CH260 white case. So if you want to look out for that video, do subscribe to my channel, and I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.